Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me once again today as I share another Easter and beyond treat for our bloomers. Today, using our 2-ingredient pizza dough, we are going to make pizza nuggets and some chips on the side. Do stay tuned and do not miss any part of the video. For our ingredients, we are going to need some flour, pizza sauce, milk, crushed crackers, some eggs, and any filling of your choice. I chose some grated mozzarella cheese, carrots, and sardines. I'll begin by mixing my flour and milk to form my pizza dough. This is self-raising flour I'm using, but if you do not have self-raising flour, I'll leave alternatives down in the description box that you can use for this recipe. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. Consider subscribing because you will not regret it. So as you can see, my dough has come together beautifully. I'll go ahead and flour any surface and then divide the dough into 2 equal halves. Then I'll go ahead and roll these 2 halves separately into very thin sheets. So this is the thickness I'm going for. I'll go ahead and then trim the edges of my pizza dough, flattened pizza dough of course, and then form somewhat of a rectangle. I mean, the shape doesn't matter. I'm just trying to say you have to trim the edges of your flattened pizza dough so you get straight edges. So now I'm trying to section my pizza dough because we are going to go ahead and create our nuggets. To all my returning subscribers, I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. So now my pizza sauce would go on first, and then I'll add my filling. So like I said, you can use any filling of your choice. So now with the other flattened pizza dough, I would cover the first one and then cut out my nuggets. If you're enjoying this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with all your friends, all your contacts. The goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of June, and I cannot achieve this without your help. So please help your girl out. So now using a fork, I'll go ahead and seal the edges of my nuggets so that when I'm frying, the filling will not come out. Once I'm done sealing the edges of my nuggets, I'll go ahead and coat first with my egg and then secondly with my crushed crackers. And then I'll drop in heated or hot oil. So I'll be frying these till they are golden brown. So one thing I forgot to add is that you can also use breadcrumbs in place of the crushed crackers. But with this recipe, I like the crunchiness that the crushed crackers bring. So that's why I opted for that. But of course, feel free. So remember the edges of the pizza dough that we cut out? We can also make chips out of them. The amazing thing about these chips are that they are perfect for the younger bloomers because they are not too crunchy. And that's it. We are so done with the Easter and beyond treat for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please do try this recipe for your bloomers, and I bet you they would enjoy it. As usual, comment down below and let me know how you feel about this video. And as always, until I see you again in my next video, keep blooming.